Hello, everyone. Welcome. I'm happy to have you all here. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section. If you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, type 1, type 1, type 1. All right, good one. All right, so let's go straight to the point. There are rules and regulations, there are terms and conditions that guide pen trading, pen trade, copy trading platform, which is their funded platform. They have rules and regulations that guide it. Are you getting my point now? Same as FSB Academy copy trading program, we have rules that guide it. So that is what I'm going to be sharing with you tonight. Then after this class, those who have joined the copy trading program, I'm going to create a special video where I will show you how to link your accounts, to FSB copy trading master accounts. So by Monday, we'll start trading on the account and you'll start seeing profit on your own account too. So let's get straight to the point. There are just 9 terms and conditions that guide FSB Academy copy trading program. Just 9. So this are terms and conditions for copy trading service. Those terms and condition agreements govern the copy trading service provided by Forexsb Academy, which is the provider, which is the master platform, to the client, which is individual, which is you, the follower, which you are going to follow our master accounts. So it's just like we've created an account whereby we trade. So when we trade, if we buy or sell, automatically that buy or sell we take on that trade, we open on your own account. So your own account is what we call the follower account. Why the account we created at FSB Academy is what we call the master account. So there are terms and conditions that guide you copying our trade. So and you need to agree to the terms and conditions, which we've already sent to those people that have joined the program. So the first one is service description. The provider offers a copy trading service where trades from the provider master accounts are replicated in the trader's accounts. So you already know this. Anything we do on the master account, which is our own account, we automatically reflect on your own account. So if we place a buy on Euro USD, it will automatically open on your own account. If we take a profit of maybe $100, it will automatically close $100 on your own account. I think you get what I just said now. So the second part is the traders grant the provider permission to execute trades on their behalf. So you are the one giving us consent to place a trade so it can reflect on your account. So you have to give us that consent. So that's why you need to sign the terms and conditions. Those who have already joined, they've been able to sign this terms and condition agreements. So profit sharing model. The profit sharing ratio is 50-50. So meaning profit generated in the traders account, which is your account, will be split equally between the trader and the provider and paid in USDT every week. So every week, any profit, for example, let's assume next week you trade and we're able to make maybe $100 on that account. You are to withdraw the profits and divide it into two. The 50% is going to you, then the remaining 50% is going to FSB Academy for the good job, you know. So that is what we explained there. So the second one is profit sharing calculation will be based on closed trades only and will be settled every weekend, Friday. So every week except for the first withdrawal, which is after 15 days. Yeah. So 10 trade, they have a rule. Your trade needs to be active for how many days? For 15 days. Like you need to trade on your account for 15 days for you to withdraw your first profits. So, and there is another rule. If you are able to make $100 on that account, you can withdraw that profit after 5 days. Sorry, blessing. So if you are able to make um $100 above, you will be able to withdraw the account after 5 days. But if you make profit that is not up to $100, you have to wait for 15 days to withdraw. So based on your capital, if you are trading $1,000 accounts, you may be able to withdraw, you may not be able to withdraw in the first 15 days. But if you are trading with like 10,000, 20,000, depending on the lot size you activate, which we are going to show you, you may be able to withdraw after 5 days. So after the 5 days, you have to withdraw your profits every week. Are you getting the point? So in the event of a loss, no profit sharing payment is required. So assuming there is a loss, maybe this week, next week we make profit, we share the profit. Maybe another week we didn't make any profit, and we make maybe little loss. That particular week you are not to share any profits with us because you didn't make profit. Are you getting my point now? So on time, one-time fee payments, yes, the trader is required to pay a one-time fee of between $10, $50 up to $500, depending on the trader capital for both FSB Academy students and non-students before being granted access to the copy trading service. You guys, majority of you here, you are already a paid member of FSB Academy and you already have access to our SB Move strategy. Some have access to money printing machine and all other courses we provide on at FSB Academy. So that's why we gave you access to get in this copy trading program at the rate of £10, sorry, €10. People that are not our member, they are to pay $50. For now, this program is only open to you, our members. We've not take it out to the public, so it's only you guys that have access to this. So in future, maybe in the next 5 months or 6 months or 1 year, we will open it up to other people that are not a member. But for now, it's only you guys. So people that are not a member, we have to pay $50, right? And it depends on their capital. If they are trading with maybe $500,000, maybe their funding platform, their funding capital is $500,000, they will have to pay more because they are trading with bigger capital. So that's that. So the fee is non-refundable regardless of the trading outcome. So this particular $10 our members are paying is to activate and connect your trading account, which is your funded account, to our own master account. So it's non-refundable. So the fourth rules and terms and conditions is traders' responsibility. The trader acknowledges that all trading involves risk and past performance does not guarantee future results. This we always add this to all our terms and conditions because that's what the people, the what's it called, the people that control the market give all forex traders to always put. Is like a disclaimer. So the trader acknowledge that all trading involves risk and past performance does not guarantee future results. The trader is solely responsible for their action, for their accounts, including any profits or loss incurred. The provider does not guarantee any specific level of profit and is not liable for any trading loss, right? Make sure your account is verified, which is your 10 trade account is verified before you can be part of this program, before you can be part of FSB copy trading program. So make sure if you've created your account on the 10 trade platform, make sure you get it verified, because if you don't verify your account, they won't allow you to withdraw. So make sure you upload your ID and your proof of address and get your account verified. This is for people that are yet to join. It's very important to get that verified here. Then individual must follow the terms and conditions and rules of 10 trades, right? I'm going to send a PDF because 10 trade, they have rules and regulations that guide that account. There is a way you must trade that account. So there is a terms and condition that guide it. So I will share it in the group after this meeting. Then number 5, account management and control. The trader retain full ownership and control over the account. The account is yours, it's not FSB Academy account. So it's your account. You create it by yourself, you fund it by yourself, you buy the funded account by yourself. So you have full ownership of your account, which is with you. We don't have access to that, right? The provider will only have trade execution. So you only link your own account to our own account. So when we place a buy on our own account, it automatically reflects, and copy on your own. So you have access to yours. It's not our account, right? The trader is free to stop the copying trading service at any time by notifying the provider within 2 months prior to notice. It's advisable you let us know before you terminate the contract. You are not allowed to take trade on the copy trading account. This is very important because there is a law, there is a term in 10 trade terms and condition, which I'm going to explain to you, right? You are not allowed to trade on that account you link to our own account. We are the only one that is advised and allowed to trade and reflect on that account. You are not allowed to trade on that account, which I'm still going to explain to you. Should the individual flee or refuse to pay his or her 50% weekly share to us and come back wanting to rejoin the FSB copy trading program, he or she will be charged at least 3 times the amount that the said individual has defaulted. So, for example, if let's say next week we were able to make $500 on your maybe $10,000 account, and you withdraw the $500. So you are to share the profits into 250-50, which is 250-250. You are to keep 250 and give us FSB Academy 250. But we know a lot of people are very greedy. They want to run away with the whole 500. But no problem. We don't have any issue with that. You can run away with the 500, but you will be removed from all our platforms and you will not be allowed to join all our platforms any longer. You will also be removed from the SB Move access. So you don't have anything to do with FSB Academy. Paraventure, you come back later, maybe after 1 week or 2 weeks, that, oh, yeah, I'm back. I want to join the copy trading. We will not allow you. If we are to allow you, you will have to pay times 3 of what you default, which is 250 times 3, which is about 750. And you may not like that. So that is what this is saying here. Then number 6, withdrawal and payment terms. Profit withdrawals must be conducted according to the trader broker policy. 10 trade, they have their policy. You need to read and understand their policy. Their withdrawal policy, one of it is you must get your account verified. Your account must be verified. If your account is not verified, they will not allow you to withdraw your money. So it's advisable. After you making money, the good thing is you withdraw your money. So if you don't get your account verified, those people will not allow you to withdraw your money. Then second one, the trader agrees to pay the provider their 50% share of profits after each settlement period. Then failure to make timely payments will result in eviction from all FSB copy trading service and platforms. Risk and disclaimer: trading forex, CFDs, crypto, and other financial structures and instruments carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all. So the provider is not responsible for market fluctuation or broker execution issues or broker manipulation or any external factors affecting trades. So termination of service. The provider reserves the right to terminate the copy trading service if the trader violates the terms and condition or fails to fulfill the profit sharing obligation. Then no refund will be provided upon termination. Hope you know that. Yeah. So number 9, acknowledgement and agreement. By signing up for this copy trading service, the trader acknowledges that they have read, understand, and agreed to those terms and conditions. Disclaimer: risk only money you can afford to lose. That's why we advise you to buy a copy trading with small capital, So maybe you just buy a $1,000 account of with $43. So please only buy a trading account, a funded account you can afford to lose. If all your savings is $1,000, don't go ahead and buy a $30,000 or $90,000 account. It's not advisable, which you guys already know that I teach you. There's what we call risk management, risk assessment. You have to assess your worth and how much you are ready to risk. You understand? So that is that. Now we are going into the lot size you have to use on every. You can make a screenshot of this particular part. If you can hear me, type 2 in the chat box. If you can hear me, type 2 in the comment section. If you can hear me clearly, type 2 in the comment section. If you can hear me, type 2 in the comment section. Yeah, so this part is very important. For those who have joined, this part is very important. If you make a mistake, you can lose all your funded accounts. If you make a mistake, you understand, you can lose all your funded accounts. So it's very important you listen attentively and follow this. Advisable, make a screenshot of this now. And also, if you are not yet part of the copy trading program, you can also make a screenshot of this, because you may decide to buy your funded account and be trading it by yourself. Follow this lot size, because there are rules that guide these people, this account. The maximum drawdown you can have on that account in a day, I think, is around 6%. So let's assume you have a $1,000 account, and the 10 trade tell you you cannot lose more than 6%, and 6% of $1,000 is $60. Now you get my point, $60. So maximum you can lose on that account is $60. So if you use one lot size, and as you open it, the market just go down a bit and you lose like 200, automatically the account will close, because you've gone against the 10 trade policy of daily loss of maybe $6, and 6% of 1,000 is $60. So that's why I said I'm going to send the link. Sorry, their PDF, their terms and condition PDF, so you can read it and understand their rules. They are giving you access to $1,000, account, but they also give you rule that guide that $1,000. You get my point now. So the maximum daily loss, I think, is around 5% or so. So 5% of $1,000 is $50. So in a day, you cannot lose more than $50. So if you place a trade and you lose $50, automatically they will remove you from that account. So you need to read all these things. So that's why I've created lot size you need to use. So if you have to copy our platform, our trade, you need to follow this lot size. You're going against it, because if I'm trading an account of maybe $10,000 and I'm using 0.05, and I already know that if this market go against me, maximum is maybe $50 or $100, and you went ahead and used 5 lot size. So if I'm on loss of $50, you will be on loss of $500, and 5% of 10,000 is $500. So automatically you will lose that account. So please make sure you follow the rules. Right? Don't be greedy. Follow the procedure we teach you. Now, lot size for every capital. As you are a funded trader and you are about to copy our trade, you're about to link your follower account to our master account, make sure you follow this law and make a screenshot of it. So for every $1,000, if you open a $1,000 account, meaning you use $43 to buy a $1,000 account on 10 trade, you have to use 0.01 lot size. You have to set your account to 0.101 lot size. I'm going to make a video after this and send it to you, how to link your account to our own account on the 10 trade platform. So when we trade, you automatically see the trade also running on your account. So if you have $1,000 account, use 0.01, set it to 0.01. If you have $3,000 account, set it to 0.02. $3,000 account on that funded platform 10 trade, set it to 0.02 lot size. If you have $10,000 account, set it to 0.05. Meaning, if we at FSB Academy are to place a buy on our accounts, if it's 100,000, if it's 1 million, we don't know, if it's 1,000, automatically your own account, even if we use 10 lot size, automatically your own account we open 0.05 for on your $10,000 account, because you are going to set it to fix. So every trade we open on your own account, it will open 0.05, so as not to lose your account, so as to follow the lot size, so you'll be profitable at the end of every week. Are you getting my point now? So for every 30,000, use 0.1. For every 90,000, use 0.2. For every 270,000, use 0.5. For every 500,000, use one lot size. So if you have an account of $1,000, don't go and use one lot size. Follow this, make a screenshot of this and follow this. I think I've been able to explain this to you. Then 10 trade lot size rule. There is a rule that guides how you trade on their platform, how to use the funded accounts, which is this. So for example, let's assume you open an account. Yes, you are not to trade on the account. You are not to trade on the account, but you are to set. I will show you how to set that lot size. So, for example, if I use 10 lot size here, you understand? After you setting the lot size I explained, if you are trading with $1,000 accounts, even if I can open a 10,000, sorry, a 10 lot size on your own account, the system will open 0.01 on your $1,000 account. Are you getting my point now? So even if I use 100 lot size on your own account, the system will open 0.01 because you set it to be 0.01. If you set it to be one lot size, if I open 100 lot size, the system will open one lot size. So it's like a robot, they've connected together. That's why I said you should follow this. If your account is 1,000, use 0.01. Set it there. I will make a video and send it to you so you will see how to set it. If your account is $500,000, set it to one lot size. You understand what I'm saying now? So now, this part is very important. So for example, let's assume you want to trade on your funded account, not this copying trading account. Let's assume you just get a funded account with 10 trades. You now decide to trade it on your own. You already have another one that you are trading, you link to FSB Academy, right? So let's assume you now create another one that's okay. As this one I link with FSB Academy is making me money, I want to open another one so I can be trading on my own. Are you getting my point now? So let's assume that account is $10,000 account that you buy, that you want to be trading on your own. This is for everyone, both people that have joined the copy trading program and those who have not joined. I know peradventure in future you may want to buy an account with 10 trade and start trading on your own. So let's assume you buy a $10,000 account. Now, if you place a buy, are you getting it? You place a buy on that account and you use 0.1. 10 trade have a rule of the maximum lot size you can use on that account. If you go against that rule, even if you make 10 million naira, even if you make $5,000 on that account after 1 month or after 2 weeks, and you want to withdraw, they will not give you that money because you've gone against their rule of lot size. So now their rule is if your first trade is 0.1, the maximum lot size you can use on that account is times 4 of that first trade you open. So if the first trade you open is 0.1, you can only open 0.1 times 4, which is 0.1 in 4 places. Or you can only open just 0.4 maximum. If you mistakenly open 0.1 in 5 places, even if you make $100 on that trade or $500 on that trade, they will not allow you to withdraw it until they help you reset it back to 10,000. So let's assume you've trade. You've been able to raise the 10,000 to like maybe $15,000, meaning you have made $5,000 profit, and you were using 0.1 in 2 or 3 or 4 places. Then maybe you now mistakenly open a trade and open 0.4 in 2 places, 0.4, 0.4. That's 0.8. Automatically, you've gone against their law. You've gone against their rule. That 5,000 that you've made, the day you click on I want to withdraw, they will not give you, they will remove everything and give you back another new 10,000. So that's why I said you should read their terms and condition. So it's not that you now connect your account to our own account and we trade at the end of the month or at the end of the week. We make 500 or $200 on your account, and you are now trading on that same account, whereby we follow the lot size by trading times four of that lot size we started with, and you are now opening more trade. By the time you now want to withdraw, they will not tell you can't withdraw. Please don't do that. So don't do that. So the maximum lots you can trade on the account is 0.4 times 4, which is 0.4 lot size. That should be the maximum you can trade. Are you getting it? If your starting lot size is 0.1, the minimum lot size you can trade on that account is 0.1 divided by 2, which is 0.05. Now, what lot size you can trade with? You can only trade between 0.05 and 0.04. So during the period of you trading that account, you can only use 0.01, 0.01, 0.05, 0.02, 0. No, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4. Or you can trade 0.01 in 4 places. You can open different trade, 0.05 in 8 places, 0.1 in 4 places, 0.2 in 2 places, 0.1 just one open trade. Are you getting my point now? I think I've explained this. Note, the cumulative open lot size on your account should not be more than 0.4, which is times 4 of what you started with. And as long as you start with 0.1, times 4 of it is what you should use. So, for example, if you start with one lot size, the maximum lot size you should use on that account should be 4. It should be 4. And the minimum lot size you can use should be 1 divided by 2, which is 0.5. So I've explained that. Note, for those people that have joined the copy trading, don't place any trade on this account, on that account. Never place a trade on the account you connect to our master account. You may lose the account for doing that and get your copy trading contract terminated. Please, because you need to follow 10 trade rule. So don't trade on that account. Leave it because you've already connected it to our platform. Don't trade on it at all. You understand? Now, profit target on capital. At FSB Academy, we follow rules so as to protect your account. So we follow rules. So, for example, if you have a funded capital of $10,000, meaning you buy a funded capital, you buy a funded account with 10 trade of $10,000. Our monthly target is between 5 to 10%. We are not going above that, so as to reduce the risk on your account. Is between 5% to 10%. As soon as we hit that target, maybe we hit it in 2 weeks, we stop trading on that account till the next month. So it's 5 to 10% maximum. So the monthly profit is 5% of 10,000. So let's assume we decide to go maybe next month, March, we decide to go to 5% on that your account of 10,000. So that is $500 profit on that account. We won't go above that. You understand? And to buy a $10,000 account, I think is around $330 on 10 trade. So we will only go for 5% every month. So now, sharing formula between account owner, which is you, and 10 trade. 10 trade, because they give you that live account, they also have their own share. You understand? They charge you a little percentage for trading with their bigger account. You understand? For trading with their money, they collect little share. So account owner, which is you get 70%, and 10 trade. Before you can withdraw that money from 10 trade, they will charge you 30%. So it's 70-30. You keep 70, they keep 30. Are you getting my point now? So that is how they design the system. That's why I said their what's it called? Their terms and condition PDF. I'm going to send it to you so you can read all these things and understand their rules. So you account owner, you will be able to withdraw. You, the account owner, you will be able to withdraw 500 times 70%, which is 350. So that is what you will be able to withdraw. So let's assume you make 5,000 pounds dollar on that account. You'll be able to withdraw 3,500. They will keep the rest. You understand? So now, after withdrawing this 350, that is where our FSB Academy and you will now share the 50-50. So sharing formula between account owner, which is you, and FSB Academy. So account owner and FSB Academy share is 50-50. So you, after withdrawing that 350 from the 10 trade platform, which is from your own account into your USDT Tron 20 account, right? You are going to divide the money into two, which is 350 divided by 2. Now, from that 350, you are getting 175, and FSB Academy is getting 175. You understand? So, this is it. Your take home profit is 175 for that month. You understand? Then, account owner, you are to send, you are to send 175 to FSB Academy for the good job we did, for taking the risk for you. You are going to send us 175. Some people will decide not to send it, but we are going to remove them. So instead of them to be making 175 free money every month without doing anything, we are going to delete them from the platform. And if they decide to come back, they will have to pay 175 times 3 because they go against the rule. So let me come again so you will understand. Please don't place any trade on that account you connect to our account. Never do that. If you do that, you may end up not, when others are withdrawing, you may end up not withdrawing because you've gone against the lot size. So please don't do that. And if you do that, if we make profit, maybe on that account we make $200, and you've now lost the whole $200 we made and even lose money, you will still be forced to pay that profit because on our system it's showing that you made profit. You will still be forced to pay that money, which is the 50% of what you withdraw from the account. So never place any trade on that account. Then the profit target, we are going for between 5 to 10% on every account. We are not going more than that. If you are getting 10% of your capital on any business every month, is a good thing. So maximum 10%. So for example, let's assume we decide to go for 5% next month. That is 500 profit on your 10,000. Then as you are about to withdraw, 10 trade, the platform, they will collect 30%, you will keep 70%. So now 70% of 500, which you will keep, is 350. After removing this 350, you are to divide the profit into two. You are to keep 50 and send FSB, which is the master account, half. So 350 divided by 2 is 175, right? So your take home profit is going to be 175 for that week or for that month, whereas you have to send 50% to FSB Academy for the good work they did. So recap, which is this: funded capital 10,000, the monthly target 5%, monthly profits 5% of 10,000 is 500, account owner and 10 trade share 70/30. You can make a screenshot of this. Then account owner will withdraw 500 times 70%, which is 350. Then account owner and FSB Academy share is 350 divided by 2, which is 175. And account owner take home 175. Account owner send FSB Academy 175. So the analysis is for 5% on 10,000 accounts. Profit may be more or may be less depending on the exact month market condition. So next month we may make more than this. We may make 10% of 10,000, which is about 1,000. We may make 700 on it. We may make 900 on it. Anything we make is what you are going to work on. So that is it. That's where we are going to end the class now. And after this, I'm going to make a short video explaining how to link your account to our FSB Academy master account. After making the video, I will send it to those people that have already enrolled into the copy trading program, so you can link your account and get ready to start seeing trade on your account by Monday. So today, I think today is Friday, if I'm not wrong. Let me check. Yeah, today is Friday, so we won't be trading tomorrow, Saturday, and next tomorrow, Sunday. So on Monday, we're going to start trading on the account. So we'll make a short video and send it to you, which will show you how to link your account. If you have joined this program, which is the FSB copy trading program, you are not allowed to share the video or the information we share in that video we are going to send to you. You are not allowed to share it with any third party. Doing that, we make you to lose access to this copy trading program. You paid for it, which is the $10 you paid to join the system, to connect your account to our system. You going against it, you will lose access to the copy trading program. We'll remove you totally from the copy trading program, right? You paid for the slots. You are not allowed to share that slot with anyone. So I'm happy to have you all, guys. I think you learned something from today. If you are to trade your own account, please make sure you follow this lot size rule. It's very important to follow the lot size so you won't lose your account. And don't forget this. We said something about times 4 of your lot size, right? Don't trade more than that because those people, they have law. If they don't do that, some people can just use one lot size on $1,000 and they will lose all the money. So they also are losing money if you use bigger lot size on those kind of accounts. So that's why they created these terms and condition of lot size. So make sure you follow that law so you won't lose all your earning. Maybe you started with 1,000, you've been able to make 500 in 1 month or 2 months, and now you now want to withdraw. They'll say, oh, because you've gone against their rule, you won't be able to withdraw the 500. You won't be happy, right? This same thing happened to me 2 months ago when one of my accounts I wanted to withdraw, I think $700. They said I've gone against the rule. That $700, they didn't pay it back. It's not good. It's not good. Someone said, can't FSB control the lot size? We can control the lot size. That's why we created this law, created this lot size. So on your own account, if we use 10 lot sizes, are you getting it? On your own account, if you open 0.1 lot size on your $1,000 account, are you getting my point now? So on our own account, we will not open more than 3 trade of that same lot size we are opening. So automatically, it will show on your own system that 0.1 times 4 maximum. Are you getting my point now? So that's why we said you should follow what we tell you to do, because on our own system, maybe we use one lot size times 3, times 4. On your system, it will open 0.1 or 0.01 times 4. So if you now open another account, we've opened 4. You on your system it has opened 4. You now open another one, making it 5. By the time you want to withdraw, you won't be able to withdraw because you've gone against the law. So that's why we say you should not open any trade on that account. Right? If we can't trade, then why are we in charge? I mean, what was he saying? In charge of the lot size? Because you are the owner of the account. Are you getting it? You are the owner of the account. You have access to the account. You don't give us your account. We don't want your account. You have access to the account. So you are the one that will now set the lot size when you connect your account to our own account. So it's from your own system. It's from your own phone. You will log in, put in the details, and look for our account. Then you click it. You say, okay, I want to subscribe to FSB copy trading. So this is the lot size. Any trade FSB take on his account, I want 0.01 to open. I want 0.4 to open. You understand? So if you have $1,000 and you put one lot size and we place a trade, don't forget there is a rule also that guide the maximum lot size. The maximum loss per day on your account is 6%. I think per day should be. Let me see if I can see that. I don't want to talk on that today. I think it should be around 6%. So this is the PBS. Let me see. Yeah, you can see we have let me see if I can you guys see my screen? Here they wrote daily drawdown, minimum 6% bronze, 6% and silver 6%, gold 3%, diamond 3%. So every day the maximum drawdown on your account is 3%. So meaning if equity on your account is 10,000 accounts, right? At rollover time, drawdown must not exceed 6% before the next rollover time. So meaning if your account is 10,000, right, you must not lose $600 on that account. If your account is 1,000, you must not lose $60 on that account. So if you open one lot size, you can lose that $60 in second. And the account is gone. That's why we said don't trade on the account and use the lot size we tell you. All right. So guys, this is where we're going. I'm going to send this PDF to you guys so you can go through the PBS and read their terms and conditions. You can see overall drawdown is a minimum 9, gold 5%. Example, they've explained the example here. You know, okay, it's 9% overall drawdown. Profit share. So you can see they said it here. They said the profit share. Split is 70-30 on the live funded account. You understand? You can see 70-30. Payouts by weekly payouts. They've explained everything. Just read through it. So they have a lot of stuff. You can see everything here. So just go through it. I'm going to send this PDF in the group so you will understand everything. So you won't go against their rules. All right, guys. I believe you have learned something tonight. We need to call it a day now. Thank you all for joining. I believe you learned something from this. See you soon. Bye for now.